Hi everyone, it's me, Nicole, ElectroYogi Electrolysis Goddess, your permanent hair removal guru. How are you today? I am signing on to give you an important answer to a question that comes up regularly, and it is, why should I do electrolysis? What's in it for me? What's in it for me with electrolysis? What is it? Why should I do electrolysis instead of wax or laser or thread or tweeze? Any number of temporary methods of hair removal. So why should we do electrolysis? The reason for electrolysis and what I love about it, why it's changed my life personally, is that after having done electrolysis myself on my face, upper lip and chin, on my underarms, both of them, on, ladies, delicate chest area, tummy trail, bikini line, feet, toes, not my legs. I did do laser on my legs. The reason I love electrolysis is because it is permanent and it works anywhere, everywhere. All you have to do is put in the time. And that amount of time is really nothing when you break down how much time we all spend, myself included when I was much younger before I did this, the time we spend fretting, worrying, tweezing, shaving, people who thread, people who wax, people who wonder if laser is going to work for them, and then they end up with hair they didn't have, particularly on the face. I'm reiterating things that I've said in the past, but I like to reiterate them again and again because we forget, and we need little gentle, loving reminders. So why do electrolysis? Number one, electrolysis is permanent. There is nothing else on the market that is permanent besides electrolysis. So that's the most important reason. Number two, maintenance and time. You get your time back. I have clients who come to me and they say, I spend 30 to 60 minutes a day, Nicole, tweezing my face. And it makes me want to cry for them because that is time that you could spend living your life, doing things you enjoy, learning something new, spending time with the people that you love. So time. You want to get that time back. And the number three most important reason why you would choose electrolysis is that when you add up how much money you spend over years and years doing temporary things to get rid of hair that's bothering you, electrolysis saves you money. So those are the three most important reasons. Number one, it's permanent, it works. Number two, it saves you time. And number three, it saves you money too. It has changed my life. It's changed many, many, many of our clients' lives, and it could change yours. So this is why you would consider electrolysis. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in comments for me. Like, subscribe, check out our other videos. I'm trying to develop an educational catalog to help you all over the world who may or may not have access to this information, may have been given the wrong information, for you to have the right information. And whatever you choose, I seek for you to be happy and healthy and have a beautiful